The arithmetic section here is profit and loss, and this chapter is very important and vital for your final exam. Now we are going to start the mathematics from your board book. The sum number is 9. Niyamat Chacha has bought 150 eggs at the rate of rupees 5 each. But after bringing to the shop, he saw that 8 eggs are broken and 7 eggs are rotten. If he sells each egg at rupees 6, then what will be the profit or loss percentage on Niyamat Chacha? Let us calculate and write. Here, the cost price of 150 eggs is rupees 150 into 5 equal to rupees 750. Now he sells the good quality egg, that is 150 minus 8 plus 7. Why 8 plus 7? 8 eggs are broken and 7 eggs are rotten. So good quality eggs, number of good quality eggs equal to 135. So if the good quality egg he sells rupees 6 each, rupees 6, therefore selling price of 135 eggs equal to rupees 135 into 6, that is rupees 810. Therefore profit equal to rupees 810 minus rupees 750, that is rupees 60. Now what is his profit or loss percent? Here cost price is 750, selling price is 810, therefore the profit is rupees 60. So profit percent, PROFIT, profit percent equal to 60 by 750 into 100. 25 into 3 is 75 and 25 into 4, that is 100. 3 2 ja 6, that is 8%. So Niyamat Chacha getting a profit of 8% when he bought 150 eggs at the rate of rupees 5 and sells 135 eggs, that is good quality eggs, at the rate of 6. So first sum is over. The second sum, the sum number is here 11. There is a loss of 4% by selling 12 commodities at rupees 1. This sum is something tricky. To make 44% profit, how many commodities have to be sold at rupees 1? So you have to read again the sum. The sum is something tricky. Now there is a loss of 4% by selling 12 commodities at rupees 1. So the selling price, that is SP of one commodity equal to rupees 1 by 12. Here the loss is 4%. If cost price is rupees 100 and selling price is 96, therefore CP of one commodity equal to 100 by 96 into 1 by 12. Now to make a profit of 44%, how many commodities have to be sold in rupees 1? At first you have to calculate the value of selling price of each commodity when the commodity sold at 44%. Now SP of one commodity, 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 when 44% profit, at 44% profit, profit, equal to 144 by 100 into this one, 100 into 96 into 12. You have to cancel 100, and all of you know the tables of 12 into 12, that is 144, and 12 into 8, that is 96, that is 1 by 8. So selling price of one commodity at the rate of 44% profit is rupees 1 by 8. So you have to sell, or the man have to sold in 1 rupee, that is 1 divided by 1 by 8, that is number of commodities. Have to be sales 1 divided by 1 by 8, 1 into 8 by 1, that is 8. So to make 44% profit, the man have to sold 8 commodities in rupees 1, that is 8 commodities, that is not rupees, 8 commodities. That's your answer. I have repeat the sum again. SP of one commodity is rupees 1 by 12. Cost price of one commodity, that is 100 by 96 into 1 by 12. Why? That is 4% loss here. So cost price of one commodity. To get 44% profit, what will be the selling price of one commodity? That is 144 by 100 into 96 by 12, that is 1 by 8, that is rupees. So you have to sold in 1 rupee, 1 divided by 1 by 8, that is 8. So number of commodities have to be sold in 1 rupee, that is 8. The second sum is over. Now the third sum. Third sum is number 15. So you have to listen minutely. This sum is also very important. The market price of a special type of pen is rupees 36.50, and by selling the pen to Shubham with a discount of rupees 2.90, Rofik Chacha make a profit of 12%. Now I am going to the first. To market price is what is 36.50, and discount is 2.90. So the SP of that pen equal to 36.50 minus 2.90 rupees. 0.60 33.60. Now Rafik Chacha makes a profit 12%. Thus 12%, Rafik Chacha makes a profit 12%. So after getting the money SP equal to this one, so the selling price after discount of 2.90, the after the when the market price is 36.50, by selling the Shubham with a discount of this one 2.90, Rafik Chacha makes a profit 12%. So 12%, when the profit is 12%, then the cost price of that pen will be CP of that pen equal to 100 by 112 into 33.60 equal to 100 by 112 into 33.60 by 100, cutting 100, and that is 30, that is rupees 30. So CP of that pen is rupees 30. Now If he sold a pen of that type to Mita, another man, that is woman, Mita, at rupees 34.50, then what will be happen? There is a profit equal to rupees 34.50 minus rupees 30, that is rupees 4.50. Here the profit is 4.50. Then find out his percentage of profit in the second pen, that is, here the profit is 4.50 and the cost price is 30. So profit percent equal to 4.50 divided by 30 into 100. That is simple. So you have to omitting the point 450 into 100, 30 and this 100 to omitting the point is 100. You have to cancel 100, so you have to cancel 0 and 0, 45 by 3, that is 15%. So the percentage of profit of the second pen is 15%. That's your answer. Now you have to remember these types of three sums is very important for your final exam, and you have to work out three sums for your homework.